Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, a can of compressed air, thermal paste, and a microfiber cloth. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid any static damage to your laptop components. First, power off your Lenovo Legion 15 ACH6 and unplug it from any power source. Next, remove the rear panel by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the laptop. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the laptop later. Once the rear panel is off, gently use the plastic pry tool to lift the panel away from the body. Be cautious not to damage the clips holding it in place. With the panel removed, you will see the internal components, including the cooling fans and the heatsink. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heatsink. This will help improve air circulation and cooling efficiency. Remember to hold the fans in place while you do this to avoid damaging them. After cleaning the fans, it's time to apply new thermal paste to the CPU and GPU. Remove the heatsink by unscrewing it carefully. You may also need to disconnect the fan cable. Once the heatsink is removed, clean the old thermal paste off the CPU and GPU using the microfiber cloth and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Once the surface is clean, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU. A pea-sized dot is sufficient. Too much paste can lead to overheating. Carefully reattach the heatsink, ensuring it makes good contact with the thermal paste. Remember to reconnect the fan cable. Before reassembling the laptop, take a moment to clean any remaining dust from the interior using the compressed air. This ensures that your laptop will function optimally. Once you have finished cleaning, replace the rear panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to prevent any rattling or movement. If you feel uncertain about performing this maintenance yourself, don't worry. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop receives the care it needs. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel, just straightforward service. Lastly, always remember to quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. This transparency helps you to make informed decisions about your laptop care. After reassembling, power on your Lenovo Legion 15 ACH6 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Monitor the temperature and performance to see the improvements from your cleaning. Regular maintenance will keep your laptop running smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.